Okay, let's dive into why a controller's price tag only tells part of the story.
See, a lot of people just focus on that initial price, but honestly, that can be a trap.
So, what are those hidden costs? The ones that bite you when it's already too late?
Well, the biggest one is downtime. Your cheap controller fails, your whole operation just stops. And that lost production time, it adds up way faster than any savings you thought you got.
This is exactly where Radonix flips the script. It's designed to protect you from this stuff.
So, what's their secret? It's the Radonix ecosystem, a total solution for your whole business.
You get a full suite of pro features right out of the box. No hidden fees, no surprises. But, a system's only as good as its support. What happens when you need help?
Well, Radonix gives you a solid long-term promise. They're not going to just disappear on you. And that long-term view, it totally lowers your total cost of ownership. Let's compare.
Check this out. Those initial savings just get eaten up by all the extra costs. Plus, your business is growing, right? Your controller needs to be able to keep up.
Radonix is built to be future-proof, so your investment stays powerful for years to come.
And you're not alone. You join a whole community of pros who can help reduce mistakes.
So yeah, price matters. But what really matters is value, right? Reliability, support, real savings. So, is your controller just an expense, or is it a real investment in your business's future?